Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the holiday mode in the Vinted application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down a bit, look for the holiday mode button and click on that. And this will, if you have items that you posted to your account to sell them, this function will hide these items. So if you are unavailable because you're out of town or you're on a holiday, then they will not be able to buy stuff from you. And yes, the application will hide your items that you put on to sell, because in this case you will not be able to post and send them. So just click on the black button and then this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.